Hi guys, again after 2 weeks gap, this is Mohan and my channel name is Art by Tamila. In this video, I'm going to do watercolor painting of a girl. By the way, this video is going to be more about the feel of this artwork. First, I would like to start with art supplies for this watercolor painting. I'm gonna use 90 LB, that is 190 GSM paper. In all art shops, this kinds of booklet is available. Then I'm going to use normal watercolor which is available in normal shops and normal synthetic brushes with different sizes I'm going to use. Don't use normal paper for this watercolor painting because it will absorb lot of water and easily it will get wet. If you're really interested in portrait making and watercolor painting, subscribe to my channel. You just get notified when I upload the video. Thank you. I just saw one pencil drawing in Instagram which attracted me a lot. By the time I saw that pencil drawing in Instagram, I just felt like to draw that in watercolor painting. I love that expression and feel of that pencil drawing. I just want to give some colors to enhance that feel, and let's go to give some color. I already draw the outline of the portrait in pencil. Basically in this artwork there is a girl, there is a guy who is trying to touch her face. That guy may be her husband or boyfriend, that's my imagination. Yeah, when he is trying to touch her face, she is expressing her feeling. Simple as that.
Watercolor is very different from acrylic and oil painting. In watercolor painting, color will spread all over the paper if paper get wet. So there is some technique to paint in watercolor. Color mixing is same as acrylic painting. We have to mix white, yellow and red color to get the skin tone. Just see carefully and observe how I develop the skin tone. As usual, I start the portrait from eyes. Here in this portrait, eyes are closed, so I am just giving the black outline. Follow my hands to catch up my techniques. My thought is, it have to be look like vintage girl.
Now my thoughts have to replicate in my artwork. Love is most beautiful feeling and it is driving the entire world. Since I'm a boy, I don't know how a girl feel when a boy shows some love. However, I'm trying to show that feeling in my artwork. Most of the people having confusion among love and lust. According to me, love is just a deep feeling of affection that we are showing to another person, and lust is just a physical attraction. As I told initially, this girl expressing her feeling of affection to her man.
After eyes, I am starting to give color from left side of the face. As I always say, understand the light reflecting on the face. I am giving the base color initially. My usual practice in color portrait is starting from darker area. But some people will start from light area where light is reflecting on the face. I am just developing the skin tone all around the face, including nose and lips. Then I am giving base layer to hair in black color. And now giving another layer of black in hair area. Light will differentiate each and every layer of hair. I always love to paint a hair, but I don't know why. Along with the hair, I'm gonna paint earrings also. Now I'm giving color to hand which is touching her face. I want it to look like a man hand, so I'm trying to get that texture.
Always give your 100% concentration when you draw, because if you give 100% concentration, unknowingly you will give some additional inputs which helps you a lot. I just want to give some color in outer areas. It's my instant thought. I don't know whether it will look good or not, but I'm following my thoughts. When you give 100% yourself in what you do, new ideas will come. It will help you to develop your ideas.
I hope output has come very satisfying. Always give 100% in what you do. Eventually you will get good result. One thing I would like to say before I leave. Take a deep breath and follow your thoughts. Thank you guys. Until then, signing off by Art by Tamra.